cultural exchange is very important, and that is something that we are nurturing from the very beginning of the Belt and Road Initiative. We are geographically far away, but we are very close. We want to discuss different stories about culture. Every opportunity where we can learn more from each other is great for us, and it's very important for us. For also is a digital Silk Road. Very important thing, very meaningful for the development in the future, because Serbia is trying to be a high-tech country with AI development and so on. We would like to learn more about that, to cooperate more, and to bring benefit to both sides. Not only win-win, but co-win, joint win.
In every corner in Serbia, you can find a lot of Chinese companies, not only investment in infrastructure, but also investments in digital, let's say, telecommunication sector. And it's obvious how great economy exchange actually on a how great level it is now.